Hamilton Beach 31156 Countertop Toaster Oven, Stainless Steel Hamilton Beach 31156 Countertop Toaster Oven. Toast, bake, and broil in less space. Unclutter your counter with the Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 Oven and Toaster. This unique combo lets you cook personal-sized pizzas with a tender, crispy crust and toast bread evenly in 40% less time than a traditional toaster oven. With the simple slide of a lever, switching from the extra-wide slot toaster to the spacious oven is easy, making it perfect for the morning breakfast rush or busy weeknight dinner. Bake, broil, or toast. This 2-in-1 appliance gives you the flexibility to cook a variety of foods. Set the temperature and timer to your exact specifications using the easy-to-turn knobs. The auto shut-off gives you peace of mind that your food won't overcook once the time is up. Or use the stay-on setting for batch cooking and more. And you don't have to turn the oven upside down to remove crumbs, it slides out easily from the front.